Everybody's having a good Saturday. As always, my name is Tree City Wes, and this is episode number 99 of Tree City Live. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. We are just chilling at the crib, not doing too much, kind of recovering. I had the company Christmas party last night, so not only did I miss the stream, I was pretty hungover all day, and I kind of feel like I'm coming down with something now. My sinuses are hurting pretty bad. But it might just be the dry weather out here in Ohio. But we got a lot to talk about today. I'm really excited tomorrow. Putting together this 100th episode special. It's going to be right after the Simple Sunday Twitter space. And we're going to have... Now, I cannot say this word. I got to be careful. We don't say this word on YouTube. But... we're going to have some things for the community. We're going to have some special guests. We're going to be talking. We're going to have a little panel, just doing all things Zen, talking about the channel, talking about Zen crypto. We'll be talking about Bitcoin inscriptions and AVAX inscriptions and, doing all the fun things. Really excited to see how it turns out. This will be one of the first times I've ever had anybody else on the stream. I did have Crypto Bruh on the stream once, and that was the first time I ever had a guest. But this time I'm going to have multiple guests. Hopefully, we'll see who shows up. We'll see how the Sunday space goes. If it gets too wild in there, no one might want to come. But we do have some things for the community, so this is turning out to be really big. So one of the things we're going to do tonight is test out how we're going to pick the winners. So there's a couple different things to do. I'm trying to be very careful about what I say, because the YouTube police will come after me. Can't say the G word. You want to be a guest, Tech Ken? You could come on. That'd be cool. Yeah, for sure. I'll be using StreamYard. So it's basically just I'll be able to send you a link. And if you want to come on, that'd be cool. It'd be awesome if you're on camera as well. It'd be nice. I'm hoping to have everyone on camera. Obviously, if not, it's no big deal. It's not required or anything, but it'll just add to the entertainment value of the show. But I just wanted to cover what we have. So after I made this announcement this morning, I've had a couple people reach out to me with things they want to provide for the community, for the thing we're doing. So we have, I'm just going to list everything that'll be going down tomorrow. There's going to be a 10 VMU ETH ZenFT. There's going to be a max mint non-ETH ZenFT. There's going to be a max VMU DBZ NFT on Optimism with 100 Optimism DBZ locked inside of it for the 100th episode. Now I know 100 Optimism DBZ is not very much, but it's something for the 100th episode, so that'll be fun. And then also, so those are the first three. Those are all ZenFTs. So we got 10 VMU ETH, we got the Max Mint non-ETH, and then we have the Max Mint Optimism DBZ NFT. So that's going to be cool. And then shout out to Mick Dingo, one of the community members. He says he has 100 ASCT tokens. So we're going to be doing that as well. That's going to be added for the community tomorrow. And then also one of the guests on the show, I popped in his space last night. It was kind of on a whim. I was pretty drunk at the time, but we had a nice conversation about Solana and Bonk. Is Crypto Taco. So shout out to Crypto Taco. He's one of the guys. He always has his show on Twitter, and I like tuning into him. So it'll be awesome to have him. And he's going to be giving away some of his taco tokens. Oh, I said the G word, damn it. He's going to be providing some of his taco tokens on Solana, and that's pretty cool. And then also, I'm actually in the middle of the conversation right now, but we're talking to Zen Crypto Store, and we're going to have a swag bag full of Zen Crypto merch. That someone, now the requirement for that one does have to be in the United States. Obviously, the Zen NFTs, the crypto, it doesn't really matter. But if you win the swag bag, you have to be in the United States because we'll be shipping those to you. So that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I'm excited to host this show. I invited a lot of people. I'm not sure who's gonna show up. We'll probably have Simple Waters. Maybe there might be a Crypto Bruh sighting. Maybe Zensu. Maybe Tech Ken will be in there. Maybe Rolando will want to pop in. I really want to just, if anybody wants to pop in, say hello, join the stream tomorrow. It'll be fun. We're gonna kind of have a panel, and it'll be more like a conversation, like a Twitter space, but it'll just be a fun time, a fun celebration, we'll call it. Yeah, I got lit, man. I was throwing up this morning. I had the worst headache, worst hangover this morning, but I had a good time. It was an awesome time. So I want to test out this new giveaway thing. I said it again, goddammit. I gotta watch that. But I'm testing out this thing called CloudBot. And let me see if I can enable this here. Hopefully this doesn't start spamming the chat or anything. So one of the things I believe I can do is hand out YouTube memberships. So we'll do this together. Let's see here. So this is the Streamlabs thing. I'll put this up on the screen. Oh shit, that's cool. Streamlabs, a Hashhead YouTube membership giveaway raffle has started for regular. So if you put !raffle in the chat and you're not a Hashhead member, you can win that. So that's kind of cool. So go ahead and spam that in the chat. It's !raffle, just like that message from Streamlabs says in the chat. So if you put in !raffle, you should get a ticket into this giveaway for the YouTube membership, and then we'll test it out. So this is going to last for 5 minutes, and so for the next 5 minutes, go ahead and put the !raffle in the chat, and then we should start to see some tickets pop in here. And I think that's how that works. Let me make sure I have that. Oh no, I don't have it. I don't have it yet. We have to put use raffle. Okay, this is why we're doing this now. I'm trying to learn how to... We might have to re-enter them or restart it or something here. Let's see. Or wait, no, I did have that right. I did have it. Okay. It's just not working. So it is raffle. No tickets. Okay, we're gonna try it again. We'll cancel this one. Let me make sure this is set to everybody. And we'll use the timer for 300 seconds. Okay. Try it again here. Let's see. Okay, so now it's a countdown from 5 minutes. All right, go ahead and try it now. Use the exclamation mark raffle. One per guest. Hey, there we go. Janet Raccoon received 1 raffle ticket. Tech Ken received 1 raffle ticket. Hell yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, so this is working. Oh wow, it works across platforms too. So I think if we go over to like Kick, I wonder if I do this on the Kick stream, if it'll actually... Go back over here. I always forget to edit this. So if I come over to the Kick stream and I put exclamation mark raffle on Kick, does it also count, or is it YouTube only? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's YouTube only. Still, that's cool. Okay, so in... Oh god, this is 4 hours and 58 minutes. That's supposed to be 5 minutes. Alright, we'll see who wins in 4 hours. Alright, who's gonna get the Hashhead membership? Let's talk about bell mining. I've been reading about that. So what happens here? You can no longer enter the raffle, and then I hit the pick winner button. And shout out to Richard Budai. Richard won. Hell yeah. Richard deserves to win too. Shout out to Richard. Let me see. So can I now... Now how do I make you... I'm pretty sure I can make you a subscriber now. Or not a subscriber, Alright, we're gonna figure this out, because I also want to give away some channel memberships too. That's gonna be a new thing for the channel. Purchases and memberships. So just the other day, I got a notification from YouTube that I'm now able to give people in the chat a membership. So that's what I'm learning how to do right now. Let's see. Sorry, give me 1 second here. I want to get Richard this membership. This is pretty cool. I believe... See all members. Maybe I have to be in the studio. Let's try that. Yeah, yeah, Richard, you won a membership to the channel, so you're gonna get 1 month Hashhead membership. I just have to figure out how to give it to you. I got a little ahead of myself. So I'm just kind of looking around the studio here. I don't want to show this on stream because you can see my stream keys and stuff. I wonder if I could do it through here. Nah, it doesn't look like it. Gotta get to the control room. Let's see. Well, I don't want to spend too much time doing this. I definitely am going to get you this membership. I just need to understand what the hell I'm doing. Okay, here we go. I think I'm onto something. Well, I don't want to put you in timeout. All right. Oh, insert add stream marker. Oh, add stream. I got excited. I thought it said add stream member. It says add stream marker. There's got to be a way. All right. Anyways, I'll get that figured out after the stream here, Richard. We'll get you. We'll get you the channel membership here. Okay, so let's head over to Crypto Bubbles. Start talking about crypto here. And yeah, another nice day. Certain altcoins are just completely exploding. We're seeing a lot of action here. And it's getting to that point where it's like they're rotating. Every couple days there's a new coin up 50 to 70%. And today it's ICP. And this one's kind of funny. Kind of hard to swallow with all that Jerry dude. I'm not even sure. I guess he's a YouTuber that was talking shit about Zen and saying how ICP is so much better. And then immediately after that, it went from $7 to $12 almost. So that's kind of funny. But yeah, ICP is the big mover today, up 40%. We got Axelar, which is a cross-chain bridge solution. It's a pretty big one. I think that'll be a nice bull market coin. That's going to get a lot of action. Decentralized cross-chain bridge. We got Filecoin up 16%. That went from 480 to 620. That's pretty cool. And do see a couple red things here. Got Helium down 13%, Beam down 13%, Bonk pulling back after that huge parabolic run on the Coinbase listing. What's up, Cloud Cox? What's up, Richard? What's up, Janet Rakuten? Hi, ladies. I'm hung like a hamster. Yikes. What's up, Globetrotter, Rolando, Tech Ken? Shout out to you guys. We're just chilling tonight. So let's go take a look at Bitcoin on the Coinbase chart. See what's happening. See if our TA played out. I can't remember what we drew on Thursday, but let's go and find the bitty Bitcoin chart. Here we go. Oh yeah, I remember. So we were talking about how it broke out of this wedge, and I said watch the pullback to the golden pocket, and actually, so this is not looking very bullish because we actually broke through the golden pocket. We tested it, But then we lost the support, and now we're actually back testing the support, and we got rejected. So that's not a very good sign. You see, it fell through the golden pocket, and then it got rejected hard off that same golden pocket that we broke through. I mean, anything could happen though. Bitcoin's in that bullish phase where it could also just be making another flag right here. You know, it could just be doing could just be doing something like this right into the Fibonacci. So we'll go the length of the flagpole here, move it up, and you know, we could definitely see. Now I might come down and retest this as support and maybe do one of those. That'd be pretty nice, kind of just like it did back here. And this is when things get bullish, when it starts stair stepping like it was over here. If we zoom out to the 1 hour chart, you'll see it's just forming these little flags and then stepping up, consolidating, stepping up, and that might be what's happening again here. You know, it may just do one of these, consolidate, steps up, consolidate, steps up, consolidate, steps up. It could be doing that again. And that's kind of the end of the bear market, you know, the beginning of the bull market, where instead of everything is going perpetually down, we found that bottom and now we're stair stepping up. Any of you Zenians in NYC? Nah, I'm over in Ohio. Ordered the Saga phone because there's 30 million bonk on it. I know, that's crazy. I saw that on Twitter. People were buying the phones because the airdrop was worth more than the phones. Like, that's what's crazy about crypto. You know, Solana, it's almost like an emergency plan, and that ended up working out. Their phone ended up being garbage. Nobody wanted it. But then the bonk airdrop they put on it is worth more than the phone, so then everybody wants to buy the phone. So they end up selling out of their inventory, sold out of the Solana Saga. And then it starts going on eBay for like thousands of dollars. This is wild. What's up, Clay Bentley? Welcome. Right in time for the golden pocket. Hey. Yeah, I was just playing with the raffle. We could start another one. Let me make a list. So, membership giveaways. So I'm just testing this for tomorrow. We're just giving away some memberships tonight, just so I can get used to the new. Am I back? I'm back. I think we lost internet, or my wife started downloading something. Where am I? What the hell, guys? All right, am I still streaming? We still here, guys? That was wild. That's never happened before. Hopefully you guys are still with me here. All right, I'm just going to assume that I'm still going. Let me know if it's not. That was wild. That's never happened before. All right, I think we're back. Yeah, we're good. Okay. What's up, Clay? Thank you. So I was saying, we were just talking about Bitcoin here. It was kind of in this pattern, this falling wedge, broke out of it, and now we're kind of stair-stepping up, and I'm wondering if we're going to come back to the bottom of the support, test the support, bounce up again. I was also talking about Filecoin. That's pulling back a little bit, down to 570, got all the way up to 720. That's crazy. That might be worth taking some profits, but looks like it's holding there. It was nice to see Kadena. I have a nice position in Kadena, and it's getting worried about that one. Got as low as 40 cents, but it's back up to hit a high of 87 cents today, so that's pretty good. Need that thing to get back above $1 at least. What's up, Dank? Welcome. Hell yeah. Cool, cool. All right, so let's see if I can set up this giveaway now without crashing the stream. So I'm going over to CloudBot here. Okay, giveaway completed. Value in minutes. All right, so we're gonna do another Hashhead membership. So we'll start this giveaway, and I'm just gonna let this one run for 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. So if you hit !raffle, that will get you a ticket into the Hashhead membership giveaway. If you're already a Hashhead, you know, you'll get the membership. If you're a Tree City supporter, we'll upgrade you to Hashhead, and if you're not yet a member, you will get the full Hashhead membership. So go ahead and hit !raffle to get your tickets, and that will end in about 5 minutes. So let's get back to the charts. Let's go take a look around the ecosystem and see what's happening. You know what I should do? All right, I'm going to do that real quick. Going to add the... maybe not. We'll deal with that later. Yeah. Sorry, this stream's kind of a test stream, just kind of testing out this new thing. Never done the giveaways on the channel. I definitely need to figure out how to give away the memberships live. All right, so let's see here. In Zen with the nice pump today. This is exciting to see. And this was kind of interesting. I remember on Thursday we drew this pattern, and it was looking like it was super bearish, and it did take a step down here. So fell out of this little pattern. Obviously we're zoomed out. We're looking at like the 15-minute here. So it was more like this. And it did break out of that and come to the downside, but then it bounced nicely on this support here. So now we're making higher lows. And it's looking bullish again for Zen. So we're back out of the pattern. Now we're retesting so we're doing this little M pattern here. That's always kind of that could be considered a double top, but hopefully we're just retesting the support here, and we'll bounce off it and go. That'd be nice. That would be nice. Also, what is happening with Zone? Zone's just absolutely exploding out of the same pattern. That is a thick green candle on the 4-hour right there. Back up to 203 for Zone. I think this is so funny. They flagged it as a honeypot. I'm not even sure how they have the ability to turn off. Can they lock the contract? That's interesting. I need to get now I want to add the countdown, because I can see there's 2 minutes on the countdown, but I'd like to add that to the stream. DB's done with a little pullback. It did have that nice pump though. It's still kind of coming off the bottom of the support. Still in this pattern here. Trying to get back above 85 cents here. Bit of confluence with the Fibonacci there, but there's always the chance we'll come back up, retest it, and maybe come back to the bottom of this pattern. You know, that might make sense. We'll see. I know I'm still trying to accumulate some DBZen, but we'll see. That's going to be a big area if it can get up there. Whew. I knew I should have grabbed some Binance DBZen, man. This was 0.05. Now it's a dollar, or it's a 1.5 cents. That's crazy. That's only a 200% pump. Like if you just bought that and held it, you would have over doubled your money. That's insane. Binance DBZen, then Matic DBZen. The other problem there is there's not too much liquidity, so got to be careful of these small coins and the small chains. But I mean, yeah, we drew this too, and then we were just saying, hey, it's just going to range, and look at that. Look at that. Pulse chain DBZen down 11%, but it's really just ranging sideways. It is starting to smooth out there. You know, it's kind of rounding the bottom. That's good. Hopefully this will find a bottom around 7 cents. We'll see. Titan X down 8%. Just kind of doing the thing. So what's the news with Titan X? I keep hearing everybody's like mad at Jake because he has like, I don't even know what you call it, miners due. So he's raising the buy and burn to 2 ETH or something. Because his mine, I don't know if that's real or if that's just like FUD. But I heard he's raising it to 2 ETH because his miners are due. I don't know if that's real, but might be a bullish time if there's going to be some price manipulation happening there. It's kind of coiling up in this wedge here, so that's always bullish. We always see a lot of patterns explode out of the same pattern. So we'll see what happens there. YSL doing this thing. XNF down to $3. So this one's kind of unfortunate. Fell through the golden pocket, and it's just in price discovery. So it found its high. Now it's got to find its low. So we might as well get rid of this. Is there any correlation to like the yeah, it just gets dumped every day. Dump. That's interesting because it was the opposite. So it's got to find some equilibrium in here where it's just going to start trending sideways, I think. And this is kind of looking like the DBZen chart on ETH. You know, it had that huge run up, and then it just slowly lost momentum. Obviously, DBZen played out over months. Well, this is days, but yeah, what does the daily chart look like? Yeah. You're providing for MDXN. MDXN's disappearing out of my liquidity. Oh, that might be a good thing if you're trying to offload it. Yeah, maybe. That's awesome though. See VZen just cruising sideways. Got these weird dumps. Then Binance XNF. Looking exactly like the Arbitrum XNF. Just fell through the golden pocket. People taking profits. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh shit. Okay, so the timer's up. So we can pick a winner. So we got Janet, Richard, and Clay. And I think Richard already won, so... Hey, Janet, my wife. She's a mod, but now she's a hash head. Can you post a link for the Zen store? Oh, for sure. Yeah, it's zencryptostore.com. Need to rep your Zen swag? Hell yeah. Yeah, show up to tomorrow. Hey, look at that guy. Show up tomorrow. So we will be giving away... Need to stop saying that word. We'll be celebrating with the community. We're going to have a 10 VMU ETH ZenFT, Max Mint ZenFT that's non-ETH. We're going to have a Max Mint DB ZenFT on Optimism that has 100 DB Zen in it for the 100th episode. We're also giving away 3 days of mining time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a miner and I'm going to input the winner's address into the miner, and they're going to mine XNM and CLOGGED and Zunis for 3 days on the Tree City West channel's dollar. And then also we have a couple community members. We got the 10 VMU ETH NFT from an anonymous member. We have 100 ASCTs from Mick Dingo. We have a Crypto Taco. He's going to be one of the guests. He'll be giving away some taco tokens on Solana. And then also Zen Crypto Store is going to have a swag bag. So tune in tomorrow. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be right after the Simple Waters Twitter space. Simple Sunday. Still stacking XNF on ARB a little every day I can. Hell yeah, for sure. Yeah, I've been burning my XNF. Getting ready for the EXNF. I think that one's gonna go wild. I did kind of run out of funds though, so yesterday I didn't do any batches because I was busy with the company Christmas party. Today I only did one, so I didn't do like 2 of each or whatever. I only did the main one. But I'm starting to get to the point where I need to make a move with my VXNF. So some of these, especially over on Arbitrum, let's go switch over to Arbitrum real quick. Yeah, I think that's the move, Rolando. We'll see what happens. You never know. Hopefully it doesn't end up being like a flash in the pan with Arbitrum. You know. I'm pretty excited though. Yeah, I feel like I got to do at least one just in case nobody enters the lobby, you know? You can always grab that. But yeah, you can see I got this one's down to 83%, 83%, 85%. So I'm starting to feel like I need to merge these together. But every day we just got some XNF coming in. Yesterday was the first day because I was at the Christmas party. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, no 14. That's okay. So that's been fun. Just kind of doing the thing, earning rewards. Got a ton of XNF locked up. Oh, I didn't even claim this, did I? Oh no, that's pending next cycle. So yeah, I got my one batch in the ETH auction, get a bunch of VXNF. That's the way to do it. So have you guys been playing with the avascriptions? So this has been pretty fun, pretty degen. Feeling pretty degen over here doing this. I'm not sure if I like lost some or what, but I tried to list it and it just completely disappeared from my wallet and I didn't receive any Ethereum for it or Avalanche for it. So I don't know if they're just like in the marketplace and nobody's bought them. But here's the 100 AES CT for tomorrow. Shout out to McDingo. I've been minting the shit out of AVAV. AVAV. So I'm up to 2 billion. And then I also got the AVXC airdrop. I got the FPOC, I got the XenBlocks, I got the Xenium, I got the Zunies, and I feel like I'm on X1 over here. You know, I'm mining some XenBlocks on avascriptions. That's funny. When I saw the Xenium and the Zuni and I saw there was no X-Block, I had to make the X-Block just to feel right in the world. Oh wow, we got some holders of XBlock. That's kind of cool. Shout out to the 6 holders. Only 0.2% progress. That's pretty funny. I might have made it too big. That's interesting. That'd be really cool if that minted out. Oh yeah, you're getting some AVAV too. I mean, that's all you see if you look at the latest inscriptions. It's just like nothing but AVAV, AVAV, AVAV. That's pretty cool though. So like I had 8 Zuni and I listed 3 of them in the marketplace and I just have no idea if like I did it wrong and I lost them or if maybe they are for sale. Let's go see. Maybe they're for sale. Maybe I just listed them too high or something. That is not my wallet address. Yeah, maybe I just listed it way too high. That's kind of funny. Can I search for myself? That'd be interesting. Check out Frosty, guys. Mint a few just in case. So I don't know if you guys... I have to be careful, make sure that this private key doesn't show up, but CoinTools has a way to get avascriptions for 90% off. No, I'm just playing. But they do have a batch minter now. for inscriptions on Avalanche, but it is kind of sketch. You have to be very careful. I used a burner wallet and I tested it and it worked. The reason you want to use a burner wallet is because you have to enter your private key. So you don't connect your wallet. You actually enter the private key of your wallet and then it creates it for you. But the cool thing is you can actually have it send it to your other wallet. So just in one swoop, I basically moved an AVAX to this burner wallet. I put the private key in. It's a coin tool. I sent an AVAX to it. And then I just minted 20 batches of AVAV. And I didn't have to do it one at a time. And then I tell it to send it to my main wallet rather than having to do it manually. So it is kind of sketch. I'll be 1,000% honest with you. But it worked. It worked perfectly for me. I'm going to pull it up here. I just want to make sure it doesn't have the private key still. Okay, cool. So yeah, here's some alpha for the inscription junkies on the EVM side. One of us. So yeah, this is the mass inscription. So you can do batch inscriptions, but you have to just put in your private key. So definitely follow the safety tips. Don't use your main wallet. Use an empty burner wallet. Send the crypto to the burner wallet, and then when you execute it, you can tell it to send to your main wallet. So it'll actually inscribe it in the burner wallet and then send the inscription directly to your main wallet. And you basically tell it how many you want to mint and where you want to send it. You can tweak the gas fees if you want, and then you can do 10 at a time, 20 at a time, 25 at a time. And it gets pretty expensive, especially over on AVAX right now. I think it was $100 for like 25 of them or something like that. Probably going to be super rich with AVAV. 60k holders, 1.6 quad max supply. I doubt it. We'll see. We'll see. I hope so. I was just playing for fun though. The cool thing about this batch mint inscription is it's not just Avalanche. So if you wanted to do ETH or Binance or Arbitrum, you know, it's kind of crazy that Arbitrum, so we can kind of pivot over to that. Arbitrum was shut down earlier because of the inscriptions. So this degen inscription life is kind of ruining these weak blockchains. It's kind of funny. So all morning, Arbitrum's down. Does anyone know what's happening? Arbitrum mainnet's down. Pulse chain, blah, blah, blah. Arbitrum blockchain's currently down. The Arbitrum sequencer is down. No transactions can be currently executed. So I am sure it's back up by now. I know it is because I interacted with it on But yeah, look at that. It's all green except for this half a bar today. Sequencer and feed issues resolved after about 4 hours. Yeah, so they are actually blaming it on the inscription. So if you read this, so when companies have an outage event, they have these status pages and they'll typically give you a reason why they were down. So the Arbitrum 1 sequencer is up and running after a temporary outage starting at 10:30 Eastern this morning and resuming at about noon. The team's actively investigating, but we can confirm that a sustained surge of inscriptions triggered the sequencer to stop relaying transactions properly. We resolved the issue, but due to the backlog, gas prices are recovering from the transaction volume. These should normalize soon. So it's so funny. They're like literally blaming inscriptions. Yeah, Arbitrum Layer 2 experienced a temporary outage lasting 1.5 hours due to a surge in Bitcoin ordinal-inspired transactions. The sequencer stopped processing, with 90% of the transactions being inscriptions before the halt. Gas prices on the network stabilized, and they're conducting a post-mortem. So they know it's the inscriptions. I heard there was some crazy number. Excuse me. It's just amazing. It is funny seeing like KDP and then chime in like, oh, this never happened on Pulse Chain. Can you do inscriptions on Pulse Chain? That'd be funny. Why aren't we inscribing on Pulse Chain? Let's go ruin that. Let's go ruin that blockchain. That's funny. But yeah, I mean, this is really turning into a hit. I mean, these inscriptions are destroying blockchain and gas fees and mempools everywhere. If we go look at the Bitcoin mempool, at one point this was over 600, which is the new all-time high. That's insane. Currently at 348. Like, I've never seen it turn these colors before. That's so funny. It was funny because a couple days ago I was ready to buy some more of those JSON Maxi Biz. I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna wait until it's back under like 50 sats of VB. Next day was 100, then 150, and then I wake up this morning and it's 600. Everybody's freaking out about it. It's so funny. It's a lot. It's getting expensive. I blame the chain. I heard you can't for some reason. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. Yeah, JSON Maxi Biz. That's what I was talking about. So I actually, let's go take a look at Magic Eden. So I took some more profits on some bitmaps. I still have over 35 of them. But just some of the ones I had duplicates of, like I had a bunch of like 666 and 420 and 777 transactions. So I sold a couple of them. This one sold for $205. That's insane. Oh no, I didn't even mean to list that one. That's crazy. No! Where was that? That sucks. That was my 5-digit. Man, that's insane. That is so crazy. I'm about to... Let's bump this one up to 1 gig. Or 1 gig. $1.1501. How about that? So I don't want to accidentally lose this for anything less than a Bitcoin. So I'm updating this from 0.1501 to 1. Someone wants to buy that for 1.1501 Bitcoin. That's cool with me, but man, I did not mean to lose. I'm going to edit this one too. I'm going to make this one. Damn, that sucks. That makes me so mad. I had no idea that was there. Wow. 36080. Or no, that was the one I just changed. It was 93779. It's kind of like a punk almost. I like, this is an eye. It's kind of got like a little hat thing. Here's the neck. Man, somebody got a steal there. I did not mean to sell that for 200 bucks. I had that listed for that 5 months ago, and I completely forgot about it. That sucks. 5 months ago, and they just bought it today. Yesterday. That's okay. I mean, hey, it's not like I lost money. I definitely made... That cost me about $2 to mint, and I sold it for $200, so I'll take the 100x. Shout out to the Ordinookie guys. I wanted to buy this one here, but the gas fees are just insane. Yeah, it's gone now. That sucks. There's 666 was on the floor. So now I got to get one of these Matrix ones. I like this blue one with the blue background too. That's pretty nice. So shout out to the Ordinookies. This guy's cracked me up. And then not too much going on. I wish we had I could give like a vast gift certificate. Let me check something real quick. But I think just running a miner on their address, you know, you'll see you'll get a bunch of XNM and maybe a super block like that. I would be kind of salty if I give away some mining time and they get a super block. I mean, I'd be happy for them. Don't get me wrong. That'd be pretty cool. This is the only miner I'm running now. It's 36 cents, 6X RTX 3070. When I started with this thing, it was getting me about 4,000 hashes per second. But now, with a new all-time high in difficulty, you can actually see the difficulty. Wait a second. If we come over to explorer.hashhead.io, click on the network stats, you'll see we got a new all-time high in difficulty mining today. Last I checked, it was like 110,000. Sorry, this is being a pain. I'm trying to connect to the miner here and see how it's doing. Ah! Damn you, Windows. Alright, we'll just type it. So we're going to check on the miner here, see how we're doing. I think it's been running for 3 days straight. Run the old tmux attach to get back into our terminal multiplexer session. And yeah, so this is what we're running with. And that difficulty, 120,000 right now. That is insane. And so when I started with the 6-brick miner, the 6-card miner, I was getting 4,000. Now it's down to 3,300 hashes a second. So difficulty is just exploding right now. But over the last 46 hours, I got 119 blocks. That's 42 normal and 77 Zuni. But if we come over here, take this out of here. And yeah, last weekend we passed 10,000 super blocks. So shout out to all the hash heads out there. It's pretty amazing to see. Where did the YouTube chat go? I lost it. I blame the chain, heard you can't. How much your maps go for? I sold one for 200. Hell yeah. See, I've been selling all the way up. So I sold some at $20. I sold some at 50, 100, 150. The last one that I sold, that 5-digit that I did not mean to sell, that was listed for $200 like 6 months ago, and I forgot about it. So someone just snatched up my 5-digit for $200. Probably could have got like 500 for it. So I just went through and upped the price on all those. Yeah, happy to sell 200 for a $2 mint. Yeah, exactly. That's where I'm at, Rolando. You know, it basically pays for everything. So, you know, I've made what it costs to mint those bitmaps, and like 4 or 5x after that. So that's pretty cool. You think Caspo was bullish? Wait till XNM. Yeah, for sure. For sure. He stopped mining about 3 days ago. Yeah, I mean, look at this. This is just going parabolic here. So December 8th, about a week ago, the difficulty dropped to 90,000. Since then, it's just been making new all-time highs. Currently sitting at 122,000. That's insane. And it's because of these guys, these blocks per minute. This guy's getting 5 blocks a minute or 7,000 blocks a day. This guy's getting 4 blocks a minute or 6,000 blocks a day. So I'm over here hoping to get like 30 or 40 blocks a day. And these guys are getting 7,000, 6,000, 5,000. I just don't have that type of power. But this is what we need to secure the network. I'm not trying to be upset about it, or mad. I mean, this is extremely bullish, and this is a very good way to secure the network. We need to see this number go up. You know, as much as we want to see the price chart go up and to the right, as long as the difficulty keeps going up and to the right, then the network's going to be secure. And once that network's secure and we're able to have decentralized transactions, that's gonna be the game changer. That's gonna be the real thing, and it's getting really close. So if you guys are paying attention in the in the XenBlocks chat, they have been testing the I was looking for it, sorry. Yeah, the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution isn't scaling. That's funny. But basically they have these smart contracts deployed on the X1 testnet that are actually receiving the hashes from XenBlocks and writing the data on chain, and it's getting close, guys. We're getting really excited. So we'll have the latest updates on that once we get more information. Shout out to Augmented. So he might be coming on tomorrow. He's one of the community members we're going to have on. Maybe Rolando will come on. Maybe TechKen will come on tomorrow. And we're just going to have a good old Zen time. How about that? Sounds like a good time to me. All right. So the other thing, I wanted to have a backup solution. So the backup solution that I had... Oh, where was it? I think it might have been this. Yeah, this. So we're going to give away another... We're going to give away another YouTube membership. And then after this, I'll probably wrap it up for tonight. My throat's hurting pretty bad. So... I'm not sure if this will work. So we're just testing this. Random comment picker. I'm hoping it connects to the live stream and sees the chats and grabs the chat comments. Oh shit, you claimed your BMP? That's what's up. Hell yeah, 1,000 tokens. I ended up with about 50,000. Then I sold 10,000 of it to cover. So now I just got 40,000 BMP. Chilling for free. Alright, so let's see. If this pulls somebody... You can get a YouTube Hashhead membership. Launch X1 the same time as the ETF approval. Whew. That would be insane. It's starting to make sense though, right?
All right, let's fucking hash.
Yeah, this doesn't seem to be working. I had a good one. I'm not sure. I do like the Streamlabs one. That seems to work pretty well. But I just wanted to have a backup just in case. Oh, here it is. Raffles. Yeah, this one. I was testing this one with someone else's live stream earlier. It was kind of funny. So if I pop the live stream link in here, we're going to load the comments. All right. All right, so let's see what happens here. So here's all the comments. We're going to have one winner. And who's it going to be? 10, 9. All right, this will be the final giveaway for the night, and then we're going to wrap things up. TechKen, hey. So I'm not sure if you're a Hashhead or if you're a Tree City supporter. If you are a Tree City supporter, we'll upgrade you to the Hashhead membership. I don't know if I can like, this is my first time doing this, so if I'm able to extend yours for a month, I will do that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Shout out to TechKen. So that'll be our third membership giveaway for tonight. So we got Richard, we got Janet, and we got TechKen. So I think that'll work pretty well. So just a reminder for tomorrow, it's the 100th episode. It's the 100th episode special. We're going to be giving back to the community. We have a 10 VMU Ethereum's NFT. We have a 128 VMU non-Ethereum NFT. We have 128 Optimism DB's NFT with 100 Optimism DB Zen inside of it. We're giving away, damn it, we have 3 days of vast AI mining time. So if you win that one, I'm basically gonna buy, you know, a good deal for a miner. I'm gonna put your wallet address in there for 3 days, and you're gonna get all the XNM super blocks and Zuni that miner gets for 3 days. So that's one of the prizes for tomorrow's celebration. And then we also have some community members. Mick Dingo is giving away 100 ASCT tokens. Taco, Crypto Taco, he's going to be one of the special guests. He's giving away some taco tokens. And then Zen Crypto Store is going to have a swag bag for any, and only US residents will be able to get the swag bag, but everything else, everybody will be eligible. So that's going to be a lot of fun tomorrow. And it's crazy, man. 100 episodes. I never thought that's a lot. I came pretty close to giving up a couple times, and I took a couple breaks for a couple weeks there. But I'm still here, still kicking. I'm ready for the bull market. I love learning. I love learning from the Zen community and this Hashhead community that we're building here. So shout out to you guys. I'm excited for tomorrow. We're gonna give back. So yeah, on that note, I don't really have anything else to say. Bitmap's going nuts. BRC, Bitcoin's completely locked up. We talked about the mempool hitting 600 this morning. Arbitrum went down because of inscriptions. I still can't claim my damn Avalanche. I have this fucking Avalanche NFT that's like 3 or 4 days in the penalty now. Can't claim it. Last time I checked it, it was $200 to claim it. And now I'm like, damn, I wish I didn't burn my AZEN. I wish I had all my AZEN, because nobody's going to be creating new AZEN. And this is going to get supply shocked faster than anybody. Yeah, look at that. It's going to cost me $240 or 5.5 AVAX to claim less than $5 of Zen. It doesn't make any sense. We are breaking these chains out here, so I'm just gonna let this one expire, I guess. It kind of sucks. Some nice amp right there. But as always, I really appreciate you guys coming. Hope you guys have a good Saturday night. I'll probably be in the Twitter Spaces in a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna go hang out with the wife. Have a good chill Saturday night. If you guys need anything, you can hit me up on Twitter at Tree City West. I'll be in the XenBlocks Telegram. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow after the Simple Sunday Twitter Space. We'll be doing the 100th episode celebration. So as always, I hope you guys stay zen. Have a good Saturday. Peace out.